Hello, I'm Bob Sedek, and I'm pleased to announce the publication of my latest book, The Hardware Handbook. Virtually any project involves hardware, so this is every woodworker's comprehensive resource. In the book, you'll discover how to choose and install hardware with confidence. Every chapter leads off with an overview that shows you the wide range of hardware within that category, whether it's hinges, drawer slides, or other essential components. You'll learn how to select hardware that provides the exact function you have in mind and is also appropriate in terms of style, material, and finish. The second portion of each chapter demonstrates the step-by-step procedures involved in installing many of the most commonly used examples. The photos are tight close-ups, so you can see exactly what to do. The 250-page book is lavishly illustrated with over 800 photos and dozens of drawings. This is a PDF ebook that you can read on any computer, and in case you don't already have the popular Adobe Acrobat software, we've included versions for both PC and Mac right on the disk. It's never been easier to have precisely the information you need. Each page is optimized to print out on ordinary 8.5 by 11 inch paper, so you can print out just the pages you need and take them into the shop with you. Or load the book into your laptop, computer, or tablet for completely paperless convenience. The Hardware Handbook gives you the essential information and skills you need to ensure that every one of your projects looks great and works flawlessly. Order your copy today from our website, plansunlimited.com.